Hello students, today we will discuss question number 35 of chapter admission of new partner, in which we calculate the new partner's capital on the basis of combined capital of all partners. In this question, X and Y are partner sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. The following is the balance sheet as on 31st March 2016. Z is admitted on that day at partner. In this side liabilities are given capital X and Y 20,000 and 60,000, outer में 36,000 given है. Creditors 24,000, general reserve 32,000 and workmen compensation fund 8,000. And asset side debtors are 22,000, stock 24,000, machinery 18,000 and buildings 16,000. There are some adjustment given below. Revaluation of assets, building valued 36,000 and stock 32,000, and liability of the workmen compensation fund is determined at 6,000, in which we compare the building value from the assets. In asset side the building value is given 16,000 and revaluation of assets building is given 30,000. Then building is increased by, if we less from 36,000 minus 16,000 will be appreciated by 20,000, and stock in asset side is given 24,000 and adjustment stock is 32,000. Then stock will also appreciated by 18,000. Then it will be shown in revaluation account. After that adjustment we can take more adjustment. Point number C, J brought as his share of goodwill 15,000 in cash. Z 15,000 goodwill के कैश में लाता है, and Z is to bring cash and would make his capital equal to 25% of combined capital of X and Y in the ratio of firm, in the new form. Means Z जो है X एंड Y के 20% के इक्वल गुडविल को कैपिटल को कैश के फॉर्म में लाएगा. द फ्यूचर प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो इज एज X इज इक्वल टू 2/5 एंड Y इज इक्वल टू 2/5 एंड Z इज इक्वल टू 1/5. प्रिपेयर नेसेसरी लेजर अकाउंट एंड द बैलेंस शीट ऑफ द न्यू फॉर्म. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल मेक रिवोल्यूशन अकाउंट. इन दिस केस we take buildings value which is increased by 20,000. Then building will be credited by if we compare building value from assets. In asset side it is given 60,000 and revaluation adjustment are given to 36,000. then by building it increases 36,000 minus 60,000, आउटर में इसको 20,000 हम शो करेंगे. then stock is given in asset size 24,000, in adjustment it value is 32,000. then we will show in this manner by stock we can less to the find out the value of the stock. 32,000 minus 24,000, 32,000 minus 24,000. in this way 6 by 8,000 stock is appreciated. And next adjustment is given below. Workmen compensation fund in liability side is given 8,000 and in the adjustment the liability of compensation fund is determined 6,000. in this question liability of compensation fund is more not than its reserve. then by workmen compensation fund will be 8,000 minus 6,000 equal 2,000. Then we can calculate 20,000, 8,000 and 2,000 इज़ इक्वल टू 30,000 और यही हमारा प्रॉफिट ऑन रिवैल्यूएशन होगा. इट विल बी शोन इन डेबिट साइड टू PL on revaluation account. It will be divided into old partners, then X and Y in the sharing of profit and loss old ratio. Then it will be calculated as follows: 30,000 multiply by 3 by 5. In this way 30,000 multiply by 2 by 5, then 5 6 is 36 is 18,000 is the part of X and 6 2 is 12,000 is the part of Y. In this way we can total of the revaluation account, and this profit will be transferred to the capital account.